Okay, class. Tomorrow we will be having the fire drill. Oh no! Not this again! Jesse! We will be having the fire drills and that is final. No! Jessica! Don't tell me no! We will be having fire drills and that is final. No! I hate fire drills. Jesse! We'll practice the fire drills. You've got to get over it. No! Oh man, I can't believe I'm having a fire drill tomorrow. This sucks so bad. It bothers my ears a lot. I know what to do. I'm going to lower the volume on the fire alarms at midnight. Ha 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 ha! Since it's midnight, I'm going to turn down the volumes on the fire alarms. Ha ha ha! I turned down the volume because that hurts my ears. Okay, class. Today we're going to have a fire drill. Oh my gosh. Why can't we hear it that much? It sounds so quiet. I don't know. It sounds quiet for a reason. Wait a minute. I think Jessica made it deal with the fire alarms. Okay, let's go out anyways. Wait a minute. I think it was Jessica Hammers turning down the fire alarms and making it quietly. Jessica, how dare you make the fire alarms quietly? Go to the principal's office now! Oh my gosh, Mr. Tucker. Why do you look so mad? Jessica Hammers, I cannot believe you made the fire alarm sound really quietly. That's it. You are suspended for 5 weeks. Go home now while I call your parents. Hello, who is this? Hello, this is Mr. Tucker, and Jessica made the fire alarm sound really quietly. Can you please ground her? Thanks. Goodbye. Jessica, what is the matter with you? Did you lower down the volumes on the fire alarms? You are grounded for 5 months and then go to your room, you little piece of crap. Thank you everybody for watching my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see some more.